friends, welcome to DNT English classes. Well, today again I've got excitement because I've got a very special video for you to improve your communication skills in English. Well, without wasting my time, I would like to come to my point. Well, the point is, आज का जो हमारा एक्सरसाइज है वो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. इम्पॉर्टेंट why it is so important? Because whoever is learning, I mean those who are the beginners, it is a big challenge for them as how to improve their conversation. My dear, in order to improve your conversation, you must strengthen and you must practice lots of short dialogue. You know, when number of short dialogues comes together, this gives the shape to a conversation. So what I will do, I will try to help you to improve your conversation, and for that I've got a wonderful exercise, and this exercise is semi-short dialogue. Dear friends, it is very easy to practice something which comes in a sentence. You can see here, this dialogue starts with a sentence and it ends with a sentence. It does not have 2 or 3 sentences together. So what I think, it's very easy to practice. So let's start. The very first, पहला semi-short dialogue. Can I help you? Can I help you? You can have answer like this. No, that's not necessary. When can you use this? And when can you ask someone as can I help you? Suppose you want to help somebody. You are offering help to somebody. Can I help you? But the person is no more in need of help. लेकिन आपने जिसे ऑफर दिया, जिसको आप मदद करना चाहते हैं, उनको आपके हेल्प की जरूरत नहीं है. And the answer is given, no, that's not necessary. बिल्कुल नहीं, इसकी आवश्यकता नहीं है. Coming to the next sentence. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I wonder if I might have a word with you. You know, good afternoon is the salutation whenever we meet anyone. In between 12 to 5, we always greet person by saying good afternoon. Now the response is coming, good afternoon. I wonder if I might have word with you. If I might have a word with you. मुझे आश्चर्य होगा अगर आपके साथ कुछ बातें हो जाए तो. You know that the person is busy. Normally you don't get chance to speak with the person. Suddenly you come across with the person and you say, I wonder if I might have word with you. आपको बड़ा सरप्राइज होगा अगर आप उनसे थोड़ी सी बात कर पाते हैं तो. It's a very nice dialogue. I wonder if I might have word with you. Now the next dialogue is, you are having this dialogue with the doctor. Good morning, doctor. Good morning, doctor. Now, doctor's telling, oh dear, oh you look ghastly. You look ghastly means you look pale. You look unhealthy. You are not looking, fit. So whenever you look in that way, your condition is just like ghastly. So the doctor telling, dear, you look ghastly. What's the matter? तुम बहुत बीमार लग रहे हो. क्या बात है? Next. Suppose this dialogue, ये डायलॉग हो रहा है मान लो किसी बॉस और एम्प्लॉय के बीच में. द बॉस इज इनसाइड और यू इंटर्ड बाय आस्किंग परमिशन. बॉस टेल्स, yes, come in. you entered. I'm going to come to work half an hour late tomorrow. I'm going to come. मैं आने वाला हूँ. For what? To work. काम करने के लिए. When I'm going to come to work half an hour late today. So how long will you be late? You will be late by half an hour. So you are informing your boss, you're informing your seniors that I'm going to come to work half an hour late tomorrow. कल मैं आधा घंटा देर से काम पे आने वाला हूँ. इस तरह के डायलॉग आप कहीं भी यूज कर सकते हैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ. हेलो फ्रेंड, कल हम स्कूल आधा घंटा लेट से आने वाले हैं. सो कल हम लेट से आने वाले हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू कम for whatsoever time you will mention there. Now the next is, do you see what I mean? What is the meaning of this line? Do you see what I mean? It clearly means that, do you really understand what I mean? Does it make sense what I tell you? Am I able to tell what I want to tell you? Do you understand? So simply आप बोलते हैं do you see what I mean? क्या आप समझे मेरा क्या मतलब है? Yes. The answer is yes. हाँ. And I don't agree with you. You know, whatever the idea was conveyed to you, you understood everything clearly. But the point is that you really don't agree with that. Sometimes we agree with the ideas and proposals what other give. Sometimes we may not agree. So this is the denial as, and I don't agree with you. The person is no more agree. Now the next is, the meal was very nice. The meal was very nice. You know, when somebody talks like this, that party was very amazing, that person was very interesting, we had a wonderful time. So when you have this kind of sentences, for example, as instance we have here, the meal was very nice. Wow, meal बहुत ही सुंदर था, भोजन बहुत ही बढ़िया था. What can be our answer? हमारा जवाब क्या हो सकता है? Oh, good. You know, when somebody tells that he enjoyed, it's good. When somebody tells you something of his joy, we should definitely feel good about that. तो हम appreciate करते हैं, ये कहते हैं, oh good, I'm so glad you enjoyed it. मुझे बहुत खुशी है, बहुत अच्छा, हमें बहुत खुशी है कि आपने मजा लिया. Okay, so coming to the last, but the less, bye for now. When do you use bye for now? इसका उपयोग हम कब करते हैं? Bye for now. This is used at the time of see off, when we are separating from the person, when we are parting, when we are moving away from someone, we can say bye for now. What can be the response? The response is bye-bye, bye-bye. When you say to a senior, it's bye-bye. But when you talk to a junior, when you say to a junior, younger, you say bye-bye. So it's bye-bye and bye-bye. The response of bye for now, or instead of bye for now, you can say bye till tomorrow. Have a nice day. So the bye for now and the answer comes is bye-bye. I'll wrap in few minutes. First, can I help you? क्या मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ? No, that's not necessary. नहीं, इसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. I wonder if I might have word with you. हमें आज सही होगा अगर हमें आपसे कुछ बातें हो जाती है तो. Good morning, doctor. Doctor. Oh dear, you look ghastly. What's the matter? When you are close to doctor, when you approach the doctor, you're giving the salutation and doctor telling, oh dear, you look ghastly. क्या बात है, तुम बहुत अस्वस्थ दिखते हो, unhealthy दिखते हो, क्या बात है? Yes, coming. हाँ आ जाओ अंदर. You are informing. Well, I'm going to come to work half an hour late tomorrow. कल मैं आधा घंटा देर से आने वाला हूँ काम पे. Do you see what I mean? क्या आप समझे मेरा क्या मतलब है? Oh yes, and I don't agree with you. हाँ समझे, but मैं आपसे सहमत नहीं हूँ. The meal was very nice. Oh good. I'm so glad you enjoyed. Bye for now. Bye bye. Bye bye. So that's all in the lesson. Well, if you really want to improve your conversation, do practice these semi-short dialogue. I'm very sure that this will help you to open your mouth and to start conversating with others in English. And this is how we can start our speaking in English. This is how we can be confident enough to speak in English. I believe that if this video is going to be helpful for you, then you'll definitely subscribe my channel, you will share it to the others, and you will comment also for the further requirement. Bye for now. Thank you.